Hello, in this video I will show you what to do and how to do when you don't have SRC folder and how to enable version control system in your project. So here we have two files. Also see that these are not Java files, these are just plain text files, and we don't have SRC folder. So first of all, let's change these files to Java files. Refactor, rename the name of your file and .java. Click enter. Also, let's do the same for the second one, .java. The next thing we need to do is create a SRC folder. So go here and select the directory, name it SRC, click OK, and if you see here it's gray, so we need to change it to the source folder. How can we do it? Click on menu here and go to the mark directory as sources root. You see, click on here and now your folder become blue color. Just drag and drop your Java file here. I dropped only one file, so you see we have C icon here. It means that this is a class file, so the class file here. So let's drag and drop the second one, all two files in SRC folder. And next thing we need to do is define the SDK. SDK means software development kit. So I can just go here and set up, or I can go here and set up JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Click OK and select the Java version if you have multiple. So I will go with 1.8. Click OK. And see, everything is fine, no errors. Let's run this code. Building. And we will have the output. Yes, we have some output. It means our code is running fine. The next thing, we need to push this code to our GitHub repository. So go here, VCS, which stands for Version Control System. Enable version control integration. Click on here. And you need to select what kind of version control system you use. We use Git. Just click Git here and click OK. Now all your files become red. This red means that we are not looking for these files. So to lose these files, I need to go here and select the commit. So here we have all the folders. Right now I want to control only SRC, and I will check only this one. And while I check this, all two files are also checked. So I write some commit message here. Created SRC folder and press the commit. I'll go with commit here, commit, and you see they were green and they become like regular color. So now our change is saved in Git, but we didn't push our source to GitHub. So I'll go here. I need to create a repository here because I'm dealing with new one. So I will call it demo Java SRC and create repository. I need to copy this URL. I can click here and go back to my IntelliJ. So from here I will go Git and click the push menu. So here I need to define the remote. The remote means like where you want to push, where you want to save your code in the internet. So I will define the remote and pass the URL which I copied from here. So I click OK and press the push button. So let's wait until it's pushed successfully. Here we have the message that this was pushed successfully. Going back to our GitHub, refresh the page, and you see we have our project here. Everything is fine. So anyone who wants this like project can go here, clone or download, copy the URL, and again like check out if someone needs to. So this was short video of how to create your SRC folder, dealing with just the text files and Java files, and also how to create repository on your local, on your machine, on your laptop, and how to commit and how to upload to the GitHub. So thank you and see you in the next video.